Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. The markets bounced back yesterday, which is amazing. Bitcoin coming down to 55,500. My trade at 56,500 added 2 more Bitcoin to the trade, and we got a bounce. Volume, big buying volume spike. Lots of people chatting in the Guru chat. You can join them. $2.1 trillion market cap, 73,000 viewers. Bitcoin price. You can leave these charts on your TV. You can see here Bitcoin came down to 55,600. Bounced, and then another time 56,000, double bottom bounce with big volume spikes marking the double bottom, which is beautiful. I also entered 2 more Bitcoin. If you remember, I had 2 Bitcoin trade at 56,500, which activated on that double bottom. We're still in fear. Bybit gives you a bonus of $60,000 when you meet their trading requirements. Still in fear. Bitcoin dominance 53%. Funding fee is negative, and we're at 58K. And we got that big bounce with huge volume. And then double top at 58,400 though. You can see 2 double top right there. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to jump into technicals on Ethereum. I'm going to show you my $600,000 account and my 7 Bitcoin trade, which is $400,000. I'm going to show you what else. Some Uniswap activated yesterday on the dump as well. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. I'll buy more. Solana 4%. Uniswap I added more yesterday. Tesla 4%. Big bounce back yesterday. World at 1.4%. Doge 1%. Ethereum 1%. Bitcoin 57,954. I'm seed invested or invested in a lot of these projects, everyone. So you have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers, etc. This is not financial advice. We've got a giant cup and handle here on Bitcoin in the longer term time frame, and we've got this big bull flag. So 2 massive bullish patterns in the longer term time frame. On the weekly, volume looking good. Stochastic trying to turn up. RSI, stochastic trying to turn up. Squeeze mob still red, hasn't flipped to a buy. RSI also trying to turn up. Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the Crypto Master Course, jamescryptoguru.com. Blue buy in February at 20K in 2023. Still a blue buy now, hasn't fired a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell recently. It's chopping around up here, firing a sell buy. Almost perfectly actually on its buys and sells, which is beautiful. Volume good, stochastic turning up. Let's go closer. Daily, stochastic, RSI, squeeze mob all heading up on the daily, which is good to see. We got a big hammer candle forming here. 15 minutes 44 seconds remaining until this candle is finished, but it's a massive buying candle of buying volume. Big volume spike today. Actually, one of the biggest buying volume big volume spike today. And we also have a hammer candle forming. We've got 15 minutes left for this bullish hammer candle, which is beautiful. Any major patterns? Not really. Still seeing this descending broadening wedge. This is a descending broadening wedge, which is part of this bull flag. I would say that this is the pattern. It just worked out. When we entered at 48, he was very lucky, actually. That fear on the war news spiked it out. My target is still 104K, and trades from yesterday would have hit stop loss, actually. It came down to 55,500. My trade at 56,500 activated here. I had 2 Bitcoin trade there and activated. We're getting a bit of a head and shoulders here on the 4-hourly. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It's a little bit weird one, but very possible that we drop to 51. So make sure your liquidations are below 48 even to be safe. It does look like a little bit of a head and shoulders on the 4-hourly. So target 53K. If you haven't entered a trade, I would enter from here on this possible head and shoulders. Tight stop loss. And take profit at my bull target of 104K. Of the bull flag and the bullish pennant, bull flag and cup and handle. That risk to reward is 113 times, risking $460 to make $52,000. Where in the world can you risk $460 to make $52,000? That's $460 per Bitcoin. With 10x leverage, that would be $520,000 of profits. That's the safer trade I would take on Bitcoin, 53,386. Riskier trade I would take from this descent. Look at that. We've got a pattern here that I see now. Yesterday it wicked out of fear, but that's a descending wedge that's forming, everyone, which is a bullish pattern on the 4-hourly. Descending wedge is forming on Bitcoin. It works like this, a descending wedge. Target 60K. So that's one trade, and the second one I would take a riskier position, but I would take it off this support, 56. These are the two trades, and this one, risk to reward, you can take it just to there, to that profit, 9.9. So risking 411 to make $4,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage, 10x leverage, $40,000 profits. So that one's for risking 411 to make 4,000. This one's risking 327 to make 52,000. Again, the way the trades open, the gray line is where the trade opens, the red line is the stop loss, and the take profit is the green line. So that one risks 411 to make $4,000 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $40,000. And then this safer trade down here risks 327 to make $52,000. Those are the two trades that I would take on Bitcoin. Now we're going to jump into my trades and my $600,000 account. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do in my account, go down below under the video, sign up to Bybit. You get a $60,000 bonus now if you use this link. It's my favorite exchange. It's the best exchange for trading. I've got 600K on there, and I've been using them for like 5 years. Bybit, the second biggest exchange for trading. BingX and Binance also good. Take the crypto master course to learn all this, learn how to trade, learn how to set up your charts, get the indicators, the stochastic, etc. And then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you in the Telegram. My Bybit account right now, $609,000. Yesterday it went from 605 to 614 to 602 back to 609. My Bitcoin trade is $2,000 in the profits. It's fluctuating a lot. And you can see it added 2 Bitcoin. Yesterday when Bitcoin came down, see, when it came down to 55,500, it added 2 more Bitcoin. See that? We spiked down to 55,000. It added 2 Bitcoin, which was set already, my trades. Now it's a 7 Bitcoin trade, $2,000 in profits. It's $403,000. What's interesting is I'm getting paid to keep this trade open. The funding fee is currently negative. So I'm getting paid to keep this. I'm getting paid to keep this $403,000 Bitcoin trade open, which is beautiful. $2,000 in the profits. My liquidation is, I need to make sure it's below 50K, everyone, 48K to be safe. And I added 2 Bitcoin, so 57K. I also added yesterday Uniswap. Uniswap also activated yesterday. Look, I bought Uniswap yesterday at $5.70. I bought Uniswap, it activated, which is beautiful. My trades, which were set already, and you can see my trades here. I've got more trades at $3.80 and $2,077. This account 609. It's 1.2 Bitcoin. I also added Bitcoin on that drop yesterday as spot, not just here. You can see I had a Bitcoin spot at 55,500, not just derivatives. So I also added Bitcoin spot. So now I've got 288K in cash. So still 50% of this account is just cash. So still 50% in cash. Bitcoin almost 1.3 Bitcoin, 74K of Bitcoin. MCRT 65K of MCRT, dropped a bit, but you have to do your own due diligence. I am buying more. I've never sold any MCRT. I was a seed investor in it, and I'm accumulating more, but you have to do your own due diligence. Uniswap I also bought yesterday, up 5%. Look at my buy on Uniswap where I bought spot, $5.70, and then up 5%, which is beautiful. 5% on $38,000. So I made like $2,000 from this Uniswap. Doge 30K, slightly up. Ethereum 26K. Yesterday I also bought some Ethereum on that. Oh no, I didn't buy Ethereum on that drop. Doge, Ethereum, and Pocket. I bought a little bit of Pocket yesterday on that drop. You can see my buys here. And my Bitcoin trade now, $403,000 Bitcoin trade. Let's read some of your comments. Going to 53K, possible, translate. I love your videos, James. Thank you very much. James doesn't know Arabic. It's okay. You can just click translate, everyone. On every platform now, you can just click translate. Damn, you get wrecked. I feel none of you crypto influencers get it right. Watch, learn, study, come back later and say sorry. That's my response to people that are new. I didn't get wrecked. I actually added to my Bitcoin trade and I made money. So now my Bitcoin trade is 7 Bitcoin. And I actually went up yesterday. It went from 602 to 609. So I made money on that drop because I bought the bottom. Get out while you can. They were, no, I don't think so. James, did your 58K? No, it's still active. And it added two. No, I always add margin. I never want to liquidate. 2 Bitcoin trades at 56,500 activated. I also bought some uni and spot. Disclaimer, this content informational purpose, not financial advice. Everyone, you have to agree to this disclaimer. I'm still confused whether to enter at 56, 54. Set your buy. This guy says 54. Set your buy orders. Set your trades before you. My trades are already set before I even begin trading. And let's go into Telegram. There's 130 of you online. People seeing that head and shoulders that I saw in the 4-hour. NVIDIA says we have not been subpoenaed by the Department of Justice. So it was a fake news yesterday that dropped the market $1 trillion. Is there a way to speak to Jamie? Yes, just message in here, everyone, especially on the comments on YouTube, and I'll try and respond to everyone. This guy made 947%, and you can just see everyone trading. There's right now 130 of you online. This guy sees the descending wedge that I just showed everyone. Descending wedge, which is beautiful. This guy made 393% longing Ethereum. A lot of gains yesterday in the community, which is beautiful. There's 130 of you online right now discussing. And this is my X. Over on X, I've got 90,500 followers. Yesterday, my trades activated. This was me in 2018 talking about Bitcoin 920, Ethereum $10, XRP 0.006. Your tax dollars are being wasted to agree. That's hard to comprehend. An aircraft carrier costs $13 billion. Elon wants to get in and get rid of all this government spending, which would be beautiful. John Dayton won his place as the as one of the candidates for the Senate. He's going up against Elizabeth Warren, the lady that made the crypto army, the anti-crypto army, Elizabeth Warren. John, he's going against it.
One of the most entrenched Washington elites in D.C. But to do that, I need your help. This was just the first.
Everyone support him if you like crypto in the USA. Jim Cramer's signal just went off, everyone. He said that it's still bearish. You are the oracle in the matrix. And I say the red pill, blue pill, which is beautiful. That's any more questions? Last video, you were long, still long. Love from Portugal, love you too. That's the updates in the market. Oh, let's quickly do Ethereum. So that's Bitcoin trade setup. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum making a descending wedge, everyone. 3 touches, starting to form a descending wedge. So this was a rising wedge on Ethereum, which I called and we got out, and then it broke down, and this is now forming a descending wedge. So target to go long on Ethereum, best place. Oh, it activated yesterday's trade perfectly. Wow. Yesterday I talked about Ethereum. It came down in the day, hit that trade activation, and then bounced. Congratulations, everyone that took that long from Ethereum at 2,300. That's my updates in the market. Love you all, everyone. Let me know in the comment section any questions or any tickers you want me to analyze. Smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Join us in the Telegram. 130 of you online discussing together. You can ask questions, chat in there with the other investors, traders from around the world. It's almost a 10,000 people community. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.